Veterinary practices typically don't do a great job of protecting themselves from malpractice. The biggest advantage veterinarians have is most veterinarians practice a pretty high quality standard of medicine. One of the first things that any practice should do is to look into what is the standard of care they're required to have. That standard of care varies from state to state. And it's typically not quite as high as the veterinarian assumes. So the advantage there is they've already practiced good medicine. From there, they need to look at, veterinarians and their practices need to look at what the risk factors are in their practice, do an audit, look at the people involved, the processes that you undergo on a day-to-day basis, and identify areas where you could put yourself more at risk than others. Once you've identified those areas, you need to make sure that you have developed mitigation strategies. One of the easiest in malpractice situations is having insurance. Other strategies include developing quality consent forms and acknowledgement forms for your clients, reviewing your medical records on a regular basis, just make sure that they are actually being conducted and provided in a manner that they should be, and they're as effective as they should be. And the single most important thing you can do is develop good communication skills. Communication is the biggest factor in determining whether or not malpractice claims will go from a client complaint to a true complaint, either through the civil courts or with the veterinary board. If you are good at communications, you have a good relationship with your clients, you are less likely to find yourself in a problem.